Let's find out if this is the best toothbrush for your braces. This is the Cureprox Ortho Kit, and let's take a look at what's inside the box. Ortho Wax, which helps relieve irritation from your braces. An interproximal brush designed to clean in between your braces and your teeth. It also comes with 3 different size bristles: a small, medium, and large. A precision toothbrush to clean specific areas around your brackets. Ooh, surprisingly soft. Most importantly, an ultra soft toothbrush designed to clean braces specifically. Look at those bristles. Fun and effective. It's disclosing time. Let's check the before results. Moon Toothpaste Fresh Mint. One of my favorite flavors. Fat glob. This is Dental Digest. Let's get brushing. These are the softest bristles I've ever felt. Tiny glob. This tiny toothbrush is super effective. Interproximal cleaner time. Let's check the after results. Wow. So what's the DDS, the Dental Digest score for this toothbrush? For cleaning, this thing is awesome, a 9.4. The aesthetics of this toothbrush is on point at a 9.1. These toothbrushes also come in a wide variety of cool colors. The value of this kit is incredible, and I'm giving it a 9.4. I bought this kit for only $15, and I'll make sure to drop that link down below. The innovation of this toothbrush is pretty high up there at an 8.9 because of these specifically designed bristles for braces, and the bristles on this toothbrush are one of the softest I've used yet. Overall, I love this toothbrush kit. It turns cleaning your braces into a more fun and enjoyable experience. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to brush your teeth tonight. We'll see you guys next week, and as always, smile on. Ciao.